Hey, JD the therapist here, and I got this product to test out from the company for this video. And this is a 2-pack incontinence pad set that you can use with an individual either in the bed, on a couch, on a chair, recliner chair, where have you. This is something that I use a lot in practice as a therapist. Especially for home health, this would be something that would be great to carry around with you because you never know what you'll need to use on the day to day. The nice thing about this incontinence pad is that it does have a set of handles here. So you've got 4 handles in total, 2 on each side, and you can use these to help shift and reposition someone with these handles. And it has a 400-pound capacity here, which is great. You'll be able to move a lot of weight with this a little bit easier. This is also waterproof too as well, and it has 4 different layers here. Because it's waterproof, if someone is incontinent and they do have an accident, you can go ahead and just take this, throw it in the wash, either air dry it or put it on tumble dry, and then have it be ready to go. And because it comes in a set of 2, you'll be able to use one, swap it out for the other, and so forth. And these last a really long time. When you are using one of these, you would position it right on the chair or on the couch or the bed, wherever the person's going to be, and it will be right underneath them. So if someone was down here on the couch, you could use these 2 handles right here and actually have another person too as well on either side to help shift the person up the bed, and the person that's in the bed can even help too by just using their legs. If an individual is bedbound, you could always have them roll from side to side, tuck it, have them roll the other side, so that way you can even pull it out too as well. But once again, this is something that I use a lot in practice. I would highly recommend it. This is a really durable incontinence pad, and I would definitely say check this out.